Especially if I just like hang back like these.
Alright, same circle.
Alright.
And I want you to brake more when you're turning. So you're not
I'm not what?
used to it yet, so brake more. Turn. Okay.
Like weird.
Okay, that's a little.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like transition. That's very weird.
Okay. When you get up here to this curve, slow down faster than you did last time because we took the curve a little too fast for a beginner.
So I'm not a beginner. I've done this before. I'm out here. Why not?
On your dad's lap when you're 5 doesn't count. Slow down. Okay. All right. Straighten it. There you go. All right. Okay.
No.
Okay. All right. Go straight this time.
Just like on the curve.
We're not, go straight this time.
Oh, this way straight.
Yeah. We're not going to go to Rogers parking lot because I got church people there. But we're going to go into this parking lot.
Okay. So when I'm like have my foot in the gas, I can just take it off, right? And it'll just be the same. It's not going the same speed, right?
Yeah. You don't have to ride the gas the whole time. Okay. Stop sign. So might as well practice stopping.
Let me go over here. Just
Complete stop. Okay. All right. Can you turn? Can you get in between there? Can you turn there? Go slow. Slow. Slower.
So it's just slow
Yes.
as I can.
Turn some more. Can you get this way? And go up by in front of the school? Okay.
Man, I'm telling you, I got this.
Alright. Oop, okay.
Yeah, that's the weird thing.
Sharp turn. So I want you to go slow. Ride the brakes. Okay. And go up to the end of the lot and turn left. We're going to go back over to the front side. Yeah, go to the end and turn left. We're going to go back up to the front side. Alright.
Front side of like.
Back up there.
It's easy.
Okay, slow down. Alright. You know that I'm going to tell you to do that on the curve, so just more. Okay. Alright, good. Stop doing that.
Let me turn to keep
I want you to go follow the arrows. Not those arrows, the ones on the main.
Just trying not to get on the curb. Oh, wait, so.
Yes, please don't hit the curb. Okay.
It's like riding a bike.
Start slowing down. Slow down faster.
Yeah.